everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Neolive Group biggest plotted township new launch Neolive Kundli Estate, located in Kundli Sector 70 Sonipat. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, amenities, location, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Neolive Kundli Estate will be constructed on a land parcel of 20 acres having multiple sizes of 363 plots with 70 plus uber luxury and great connectivity. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kundli Sector 70 Sonipat with KMP Expressway at just 2 minutes drive. Upcoming metro station Nathupur at 5 minutes drive and Palghar Mall at 4 minutes drive. Rasoi Dhaba at just 5 minutes drive and IIT Delhi Sonipat campus within 10 minutes of drive. OP Jindal Global University is only 12 minutes and IMT Kharkhoda is only 25 minutes. And also Indira Gandhi International Airport's only 50 minutes drive from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has ultra uber luxury amenities with 3 acres green park in the township, a swimming pool, gym, forest cafe, garden, kids play area and many more. Talking about the plot sizes, this project has multiple plot sizes with the first plot ranging from 100 to 125 square yards, second plot ranging from 125 to 150 square yards and third plot ranging from 150 to 180 square yards with an internal road of 15 meters and 18 meters. Some of the USPs of the project is that here the plot will be on your name, which means the ownership of the plot will be transferred to you, unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it. Here there is no time foundation on the construction of the plot, which means you have full freedom whether you want to construct within 1 year, 2 years or 5 years. Here you can construct still plus 4 floors. Last but the most important part is that you will get Neolive brand trust, which means you can be rest assured that your plot is safe in terms of legal assurance and there will be no encroachments etc. as the whole township will be managed by CBRE Facility Management. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is open and the client can also come and visit the site and the sales team will explain you the complete project overview, will show you the actual location and will also explain you the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 51,000. This token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discount, preference inventory selection, which means the token holders will be called first to select their respective plot. And it is 100% refundable, which means after giving the token amount, if the client doesn't want to go ahead for some reason, the token will be 100% refundable.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.